Make money on YouTube in 2 days. Monetization from day one. Can you actually make money with AI YouTube channels? I'm a retired Army Lieutenant Colonel. MBA, 30 years programming experience. I spent $50,000 to find out. So let's dive into this. Let's look at the full Monty of what is involved with making faceless AI YouTube videos and what's the true cost and does it really work? So here's my experience. Here's my channel, Self-Mastery and Mindful Connections. 2,000 subscribers, 51 videos. Let's look at some analytics. Okay, lifetime of the channel, 31,000 views. Sounds like a big number. 1.6 thousand hours. That sounds like a lot of time. However, we need 4,000 hours to monetize. So we are way falling short. And we need 1,000 subscribers. You can see here, I've got 2.1 thousand subscribers. Subscribers is not a problem. The problem is they're not watching, people. All right, did I earn any money with this? Can I earn any money? Spoiler alert, the answer is no, but let's validate that. Clicking on the Earn tab, and we have no money. Okay, so this course right here, complete course, how to start a faceless YouTube in 2025. Let me use the tools that they're suggesting, otherwise it's really hard. So we had Pictory, $39 a month. We have 11 Labs, $82.50 a month, so you can get all those nice voiceovers. Now, we need the beautiful thumbnails, so I signed up for Ideogram. Love the service, it's $15 a month. Then, of course, it's an AI faceless channel, we need some AI. So here's $20 a month, and then we have, all right, so I'm using that, and then I like Claude. I'm paying $100 a month for Claude, and then the other thing is I want personal attention. I want someone who can look at my stuff. I want instant feedback, not just AI feedback. So what did I do? I hired vidIQ one-on-one coaching at $199 a month. So I hope it's already going through in your mind a little bit like, oh, this is costing a little bit of money. Like, don't quit your day job. Here is the spreadsheet. Here is the full Monty. Here's the breakdown for us. Let's take a look. Complete course, as I showed. This is the course I bought. He's got the graphs and he's got a lot of tools. Like, he put a massive amount of effort into this. It's very professionally done. I'm very impressed with his work. However, that was $500. And the tools, let's go through this again. Pictory, $39 a month, extended out, $468. We got $1,000 for 11 Labs. We got almost $2,400 for vidIQ. We've got another couple $100 for Ideogram, that's $180. Then we got CapCut, which I didn't even mention, that's $90. Then we have Claude, which was $1,200, that's $100 a month. And we have our ChatGPT at $240. So already we're at $5,500 plus dollars just to get our feet wet, just to have the right tools to use and to have a course available to us. Now, how long does it take to make a video? It's still taking me on average 14 hours. Are some quicker? Sure. Are some really slow? Absolutely. 14 hours, 50 videos. We're just going to do the math, 700 hours. What opportunity cost is there with that? That's $35,000. We're going to use $50 an hour. Hopefully you guys are okay with that. So round figures, we're at $40,000 out the gate. Now, what other costs are there? Are there any other costs? Not only do we have the direct costs, there's always direct costs and then indirect costs, just like when you own your house. You're like, oh, I just have to pay the mortgage and pay my taxes. Well, yes, and, right, when the roof goes bad, the furnace goes bad, right, there's hidden costs that pop up in order to take care of it. This has a learning curve. There's a lot of software. This stuff is pretty complicated, and it takes a bit to get the flow of it and make it all work together. The Pictory, the 11 Labs, the thumbnails, we have the failed videos, we have the mental energy that goes into this. We're creators, so we're not just turning our brains off. So the smoking gun, my friends, $50,000 round figures. You heard it, $50,000. I absolutely fell for the shiny object syndrome again. I fell for the easy money. I thought, oh, surely I can do this. Well, there you have it. I've shown you everything under the hood. Now, spoiler alert, let's get to the truth. I have a degree in mathematics, retired lieutenant colonel. I've been programming computers for 30 years. I should have seen the pattern all day long. Should have seen it every single day, but I got tricked. You ever find yourself feeling that you've been tricked? Look, can I be honest with you for a minute? Let me tell you why I'm susceptible to these traps like Faceless YouTube channels. See, I never wanted to go to college. My dad has a PhD in spectroscopy. My brother has a degree. My grandfather a degree. My grandmother a degree. Everybody in my family has a degree. I didn't want to follow in their footsteps, and I wanted to prove that I could outdo them and be a financial success without following their path. So I tried Amway, Herbalife. I tried day trading, options trading, real estate, Carlton Sheets. Remember that name back in the day? But you know what keeps the lights on here? It's not the Amways, the Herbalifes, the Melaleucas, and the list goes on, the A.L. Williams. No, it's the 36 years of military service that I did that keeps the lights on. The best thing I ever did was go to college. Yes, I went back at age 23, starting in intermediate algebra, which is like 8th grade math. 7 years later, I had a degree in math education and then got my commission in the Army, and the rest is history. See, but I got tricked by that lure of easy money. The Amway, the Herbalife, the Melaleuca, the A.L. Williams. And what was the other really big one? The gold rush of 1848. You know who gets rich in all these things? It's not the distributors, it's not the YouTube creators, and it's not the miners. It's the ones selling the tickets. It's the books, the tapes, the seminars. It's the course makers. It's the ones making coaches, not being coaches. So if these YouTubers are so great and they can monetize and make any channel so easily, why aren't they doing that? They did their first channel, they got success. Why not turn over another channel and have another brilliant success? No, follow the money. I am an Army trained, Functional Area 49, ORSA, Operational Research Systems Analyst. I was taught to follow the money. I fought budget for the National Guard against the Army. We've seen it in the movies. Follow the money. You want to know what's going on? Follow the money. That's why these creators, that's why these coach makers and the rest of them, that's their jam. That's how they're making their money. It's not by being creators. It's not by making all the YouTube videos. No, they found success and now they're capitalizing on their success and selling the easy money to people like me and you. The people who made the money during the gold rush were the ones selling the shovels, not the miners. The make money online people, making courses about courses, tools about tools, they're selling to themselves. It's an echo chamber. It's the books, it's the tapes, it's the seminars, it's Amway all over again. That's where the real money was made. Just like the gold rush of 1848. Sell them the shovels. The miners went broke. The Amway distributors went broke. Most of the people trying to flip houses are going broke. It's the people selling those courses that are making all the money. So yes, I spent $50,000 of direct and indirect money on making Faceless AI YouTube channel. But here's what I've learned. It's about solving real problems with real solutions. Being truthful, not hiding behind an AI avatar. Just because you can make something quickly doesn't mean it's any good. I'm here to deliver the truth. And see, that's why I started a relationship channel. I wanted to give back. I figured I'd messed up enough relationships that surely I could help some people. But apparently it wasn't a good fit. So instead, I'm pivoting to what I love, DIY and building. Whether it's your custom closets, a home theater, finishing an entire basement, it's things of this nature and giving back. And I document as I go, which is why we have a free soundproofing guide, a free tool sharpening guide. And this is what I do by default. At work, I built a 100+ page IBM Cognitive Survival Guide, and I built a Databricks guide as well. It's just what I do. It's what I've always been, a teacher at heart. One of the best things I loved in college was when I was asked to teach at the math lab, where students would go for other senior students to get help. It's about creating what I wish already existed. It's about making a review that I wish I had seen the first time. I made $0. So yes, I did spend 15 months learning how to do AI faceless YouTube channel. But what I really learned was I need to be the authentic me. I need the teacher who I've always been desiring to be from way back when, whether it's teaching my soldiers, coaching clients, teaching someone how to soundproof their home theater. It's all about solve real problems, give more than you take, create the guides you wish already existed. It's not sexy. It's not going to make you $10,000 in 90 days, but it's the consistent, persistent effort of creating and giving. So if you want my free soundproofing guide or my tool sharpening guide, click the links below. No upsells, no courses, no BS. Just a teacher who's sharing what he's learned. Let's build something together.